Hi everyone, JaLingo's expression of the week is Wasteman. This is an insult directed at a man who does little to nothing with his life. Other meanings: a person who has become socially intolerable towards his peers. Someone who is a waste of time or a waste of space. A man who is worthless and does continuous stupid things in his life. Wasteman also refers to someone who is not doing much with their life and through their own fault has not achieved anything much. We may hear an islander using the term wasteman in a situation such as this. John a wasteman, you know, you don't realize that next man a paging girl. This means John is such a loser. He doesn't even know a next man is dating his girl. Another example, John have the girl that give him money every day, but him a move like a wasteman and not please her. This means John's girlfriend is giving him money on a regular basis, but he's acting foolish by not returning the favor to please her. Related words to wasteman include a loser or a bum. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.